Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're part of my family, thank you for all the support. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly go and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yes, today we're going to make pancake, fluffy and soft sweet pancakes. We're going to use flour. I always use ajab for everything, and 2 eggs, and we're going to use milk. That's a cup of milk right there. Yes, and we're going to use baking powder. So you should also have a box of baking powder, and we're going to add some vanilla essence for flavor, Yes guys, and you're going to need sugar. Yes, because the pancakes need for breakfast, so zinafaa kuwa na sugar and cooking oil, and some cooking oil. So there is my cooking oil. Yes, we start by tuweke our flour kwa big bowl. I'm going to measure my flour with this small bowl, two bowls. Yes, nisikue mingi na isikue kidogo juu. It's only pancake for 2 for our breakfast and maybe lunch. So there is sugar. We're going to add our dry ingredients in the bowl. That is sugar and flour and baking powder. All the dry ingredients tutamix kando. Yes, we don't want to mix everything pamoja at the same time. So we're going to start with flour, na your sugar and baking powder. I'm here looking for my baking powder. Yes, that is baking powder. We're going to use baking powder 1 spoon. Yes, 1 tablespoon. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. But for sugar, you can use 3 tablespoons. But since I'll be using 2 tablespoons on my dry ingredients and 1 tablespoon on my liquid ingredients. But as for you, you can use all the 3 tablespoons at once on your dry ingredient or on your liquid ingredient. It's your choice, Yes. So I've added my baking powder, sugar and flour. So I'm going to whisk. If you have that whisking, electric whisk, that is the best. But as for me, for now, I don't have it. But on my next video, I'll have it. So if you don't have it for now, you can use mwiko. Yes, it also does a great job. So we have finished that. We are done with the dry ingredients. Now we go to the liquid ingredients, to the wet ingredients. And that is our egg. We're going to use 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Then we're going to add sugar. I told you in my liquid or wet ingredient, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, so it's your choice. Yes, as for me, I always do that so that you can taste. Just in case haija taste kwa ile ya dry, naeka kwa the liquid one, pia yote i-taste pamoja at the same time. Yes, so I will continue kukoroga or whisk. Hey kizungu. I'll continue to koroga. I have gone to take a spoon, another tablespoon, so that I can measure the vanilla essence flavor. 1 tablespoon. Yes. So I'll start mixing all my ingredients together. I'll be mixing my wet or liquid ingredients. I'll be mixing all of it hadi ikue one mixture, like ishike yote, like ikue one. I hope you understand. Yes. Then after that, I will I'll also add my 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. You can use 3 or 2 of cooking oil. It depends pia na your family or you. If you don't like too much oil, you can use less than that. So maybe I'll use cooking oil. I'll put some cooking oil there in my wet ingredients. Yes, as you can see, that's my first tablespoon, my second tablespoon, and my third tablespoon. I like oil in my food kidogo juu when I will be cooking the pancakes, I won't add any oil. Nikisheka hivyo ni hivyo. So that is me trying to mix. I mix for it to combine. Mix. Don't get tired of mixing. Just mix. Then there is my milk. I'll add my milk and continue mixing together. Yes. Mix. Don't get tired. You want a perfect, fluffy, soft pancake. So haitaki uzembe. So usichoke. Continue mixing. As you can see, I hope you have noticed I've not used the whole milk. Nimetumia kidogo. So that the other milk I can use it later. You'll see where. So there is my dry ingredients. Sasa I will put the wet ingredients there as I continue mixing. Yes. As you can see, I'll be putting kidogo while I mix so that I can make sure imeshikana poa. You know, pancake, the unga shouldn't be too haifai kukuwa mzito sana and soft sana. Ukipika soft sana haitakuwa ile nono. Yes, and you don't want nyembamba sana or too fat. Yes. So that is me. I'm mixing. Usichoke kumix. I'll continue mixing. Unaona sasa the milk ndo imekujia hapo. I'll continue adding. And if you see bado haifit haijatosha, you add other milk. You add some more milk as you continue mixing. Usichoke kumix. Continue mixing. Yes, guys. If you have not subscribed yet and you have watched this channel up to here, you have watched this video, up to here, kindly go and subscribe. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate. Now we are on our road to 1K subscribers. We are going to 600. Thank you so much for the support. It really means a lot to me. Now usichoke ku continue mixing. You're still mixing our ingredients pamoja. Yes, guys. Still mixing. You see what I'm doing? Pia hiyo kubonda nafanya hivyo ndo those two big particles pia ikue soft, and I'm still adding my milk. I mix pamoja. It's as if you are making cake. Yes, usichoke kumix. Continue mixing. Kindly go and subscribe. If you have watched up to here, go and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to see my videos. When I post any video, you'll be the first one to watch it. Yes, I hope you enjoy my videos and continue watching them. And your support means a lot, so continue viewing, continue commenting. I'm really happy when I see all those beautiful comments from you guys, and I always reply all of them. Hakuna yenye sija reply. And continue liking and sharing and use this recipe. Unaona hata haijachukua haitachukua hata any time, not so long. Jukisha mix hivo, that's it. Na how mix ati sana tushinde hapo pana si cake, but you mix it. Unaona, haijachukua hata like hata 5 minutes just kumix your ingredients and una mix, na hivyo you start choma, uanze kuchoma your pancakes. Kizungu ilikuja na meli. Yes, just that, imagine. And you are almost done. When you are done with this mixing, that's it. Ni kuchoma tu sasa, kuweka tu kwa pan, and that's it. You are almost done with only few ingredients, like 4 ingredients: milk, baking powder, eggs, flour, and oil. Vanilla essence, it doesn't really matter if you don't have it. It's not that important, but you can use it if you have it. You see, I'm almost done mixing, and that's it, guys. That's it. When the kuchoma, you make it to look like that. Unaona vile ni soft, it looks soft. Alafu pia the color may change kabisa. It looks a beautiful color. Yes, and it looks soft na inakaa ni kama ime combine vizuri. Yes, and also by that whisking, ile ya whisk, it's good. Now we go to the next chapter. It's kuchoma. Yes, there is our pan, and that's like we are almost done. And it's like we are almost done kabisa. You just do that so that your pancake can be a bit big. Then you wait for a few minutes. How do you want the bubbles? You see the bubbles, itoke kabisa bubbles. Hizo bubbles, the bubbles will help you to know kama imeiva the other side. Yes, because hapa hatutumii any cooking oil. Tulikuwa tusheka cooking oil when combining our mixtures, so hapa we don't use any cooking oil. Kisheka hivyo ni hivyo. You just wait for the bubbles, then you turn it the other side. Kama hivyo, you turn it the other side. You can see that it's beautiful. Can you see, guys? It's very beautiful. Yes. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yes. Don't watch these videos, all of it, and you have not subscribed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and God will bless you. Yes. You see how it's beautiful. Yes. And if you are not pleased with the color, you see even the other side how it's beautiful. Ikitoa hivyo bubbles kumaanisha inaiva hadi ndani. If you're not pleased with that color, you let it continue heating hadi kwe color yenye unataka. Ukawa unapenda zile deep brown, unaona? But me, I like it like that, medium. Haijaungua, haijaiva sana, haijakaa kama haijaiva, like hapo medium. You see the bubbles? Yes. The bubbles? Yes, very demure. So unaona hiyo imeiva the other side, but the other side bado, so we will turn it back again hivyo yote. See, very demure, very mindful. Yes. How beautiful. You see, we go to the next one. Yes, you continue doing that hadi umalize all of them. Then you make your tea. I showed you how I make my tea on my other video. You can go and watch it again. You make your tea and you are done. Tea and pancake for breakfast. Fluffy pancake. Unaona zinafura, zingine zinafura juu ile baking powder, na zingine zinafura alafu zinakuwa fluffy, like tunakuwa tunono, and it's very, very sweet. You try this recipe and you'll always make pancake for breakfast. Trust me. I tried this and I have been making pancakes almost every day for breakfast. Yes. Si kila wakati mkate, si kila wakati mkate mayai, si kila wakati omelette mayai or mkate. No. Sometimes you make different things. Like today you make pancake for your breakfast for your family, and trust me, especially kids love pancake. Look at this, look at those bubbles, look at those tushimo, look at how beautiful. Yes, I have told you the color that you want it to be, it's your choice. So zingine zinakuwa brown, zingine also reduce your heat. Weke low heat kidogo, ukiweka heat mob itaungua, so you reduce your heat. You see how beautiful? Yes, so I'm waiting for the other side to Eva also. Then you turn it, because that color was not that pleasing to me. You turn it again. You see, very beautiful. It looks tasty and yummy. We go to the next one, like that until the end of your pancakes. Yes, kids love pancake. As for me, when I was a kid, I always loved pancake, and my mother always made pancake for us. Hiyo time alikuwa anatumekia pancakes almost every Sundays. We eat pancakes, then go to church in the morning, and I really loved it. I love pancakes, to be honest. You see, the other side is not that pleasing, so nimerudisha. Then ndio hiyo inaenda kuiva. Oh, it's very beautiful and looks delicious and tasty. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 4, it says, respect the Lord and be humble, then you'll have wealth and honor and true life. What a beautiful topic. Yay! Look how beautiful they look and delicious. They taste so good, my goodness. You should also try this recipe, and you love pancakes so much, guys. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like and comment and share. Don't forget that. Yes, and I love you so much, guys. Let's continue sharing. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, let's get to 1,000. I have a surprise for you guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, thank you so much for all the support, and let's continue subscribing to my channel. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoy my videos, and comment there if I should continue posting more and more simple and easy and yummy recipe that you will also enjoy with your family, and you can get all the ingredients right outside your door. Outside your door. Yes, guys, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. God bless you.